Ever found an amazing old movie clip, a retro VHS shot, or some random online footage only to realize it looks way too blurry to use it in your project? Don't click away, because in the next few minutes I'll show you how to transform low quality clips into sharp, high quality content that will instantly boost your edits. As creators, we've all been there, trying to use archival footage, old movies, vintage film reels, or pixelated online videos. These clips have amazing vibes, but the low resolution or grainy look can ruin the edit. The good news? You don't need Hollywood software or expensive tools to fix it. With the right workflow, you can actually enhance sharpness, upscale resolution, enhance faces, and clean up noise, making old footage look surprisingly modern. So here is where the fun begins. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to boost your old clips, sharpen details, and upscale blurry footage using the video enhancer AI of the UniConverter. Before you begin, however, be sure to download the latest version of the UniConverter 16 or update it, because the tool has been upgraded to provide you with even better results. You can easily go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and get your copy. Then, when you have it, open it, and you'll find the Video Enhancer AI in the video section of the tool. Now, this tool has multiple features, as you can see here. What we're most interested in right now is the Quality Restoration feature. This feature turns a blurry video into a sharp one. If your video has faces too, you can also go with the Face Enhancement feature. The workflow with this tool is super easy and fast. As it supports batch processing, you can import up to 20 videos at a time to perform these features on. So first of all, I import the video clips I'd like to work on here, and then let's take a look at them. As you can see, some of them are blurry, some of them are old and pixelated. Let's see what the tool can do. I click on the Quality Restoration feature, and then I choose an output folder where the new clips will be saved. Finally, I click on Export All. The task will require some AI credits that you may purchase separately in packages, or you can also get some for your subscription. Now we'll have to wait a little. You'll see a success mark on the clips that are finished. And then let's see the results. As you can see, the results are night and day. This technique works whether you're editing a YouTube video, a short film, or even just creating B-roll for social media. By learning how to restore and enhance old clips, you instantly unlock a whole new library of creative assets for your edits. But that is the video for today. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on the video. I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.